Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically assign roles to new users on your Discord server using Dinobot. First, open a web browser and go to the official Dinobot website. Once you're there, click Add to Server. Choose a plan. You can select a free plan or a premium option if you want extra features. If prompted, log into your Discord account. Then, click the Select a Server dropdown and choose the server where you want to add Dinobot. Click Continue, then click Authorize to give Dinobot the required permissions. Leave everything selected so the bot works properly. Complete the verification steps to confirm you're human. Next, you'll be asked to choose a command prefix and your time zone. Select the options you prefer and click Next to save the settings. Choose a channel for Dino updates if you want, then click Next. You can upgrade to Premium or click Done to finish the setup. Once setup is complete, click the Dino icon in the top left corner of the website and go to Manage Servers. Make sure you're on the Servers tab. Then click the server you just added Dinobot to. This will open the Dino dashboard. In the dashboard, make sure you're on the dashboard menu. Scroll to the bot settings section and give Dinobot a nickname if you want. You can also assign manager roles so trusted members can manage Dino settings. Save any changes you make. Now that Dinobot is set up on your server, you can enable auto roles. From the Dino dashboard menu, go to the Auto Roles or Modules section and turn Auto Role on. Choose the role you want new members to receive automatically, then save your changes. From now on, every new user who joins your server will automatically receive that role. And that's how you auto-assign roles to new users on Discord using Dinobot. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.